Hello and welcome to this episode of Ask the Guitar Coach. Here is our question for today. I play guitar all day, but I'm not getting any better. Why is that? This is probably one of my favorite questions to be asked. It's a very frustrating thing to happen, a very frustrating situation for a guitar player to find himself into. Meanwhile, the solution is very simple, both why this is happening and what to do about it. So let's get started. In more than 95, maybe even 98% of the cases, what happens when you have this problem is that you are playing guitar and not practicing guitar. So basically playing means you're playing into your comfort zone, you're playing the stuff that you can already do well, and you're playing the stuff that you're having fun playing. The problem is that you're expecting to get better by doing the things that you already know how to do and that are well within your current abilities. In simple words, this is never going to happen. Yes, if you are a beginner or even maybe a very low or intermediate, just playing the same things over and over will give you a better grasp of them for a few months. But after that, you will stop, you will hit a wall and never get any better. Think about it this way. Do you want to have fun now, the limited amount of fun that you had when you're playing the same things over and over again? Or do you want to develop your playing and get better in the future and have much more fun in the future? It's the difference between instant gratification and delayed gratification. Now everybody knows that we live in the age of the most instant gratification there is. We want something and we want it yesterday, not even now. It's what I used to call the PlayStation generation, that we are the PlayStation generation, and younger people, younger guitar players, younger kids have even more of that characteristic. So what you should do? Well, first of all, you need a mental shift, an attitude change. The attitude change goes as follows. If you want to play for fun, by all means go and play guitar for fun. Just don't expect to get better by doing that. If you want to get better at guitar, you need to find things that you're not doing well, learn them properly and practice them at a slow tempo in order for you to develop your skill set. So basically you need to differentiate between playing for fun and studying guitar in order to develop a skill set. These are two totally different things. For example, when I'm practicing playing guitar, I do both of them in this way. I will practice for some time, then I'll take a quick break just to distress my hands, and then I will play for fun for a little bit, maybe for 10 minutes, then go back to practicing. There is a very big difference between practicing and playing, and I am very sad to say that guitar magazines are usually to blame and guitar articles are usually to blame for something like that. Because when you read a guitar article or a guitar magazine, they tell you that you just mix the playing and the practicing. And although, as I said, this can happen when you're a beginner, because when you don't know anything, no matter what you play, you will learn something. This is not something that you can continue forever. Actually, it will stop after usually a couple of years, and then you will hit the wall that I already mentioned and not get any better. So what's the best way to develop your playing? If you have the time and the energy to have your guitar with you and play all day, I've mentioned several times in these videos that you should get a guitar coach. This is the single best way that you will develop your playing. In this way, you will have guidance on what to play and how to practice every day, and this is really the best way to do it. So, let's recapitulate. It's absolutely normal if you've been playing for many hours a day without a structure, without a schedule, you're just playing for fun, you're just playing riffs or solos that you already know. It's absolutely normal that you're not getting any better. It's not because you're doing something inherently wrong, but what you're doing is not conducive to developing your skill set. You're just basically having fun. If you want to develop your playing, you should find a way, you should follow a guitar program that will help you get better, not just have fun while playing. And the best way to do that is to find someone to coach you, to get a professional guitar coach. So I hope this was helpful. Thanks for tuning in. Keep those questions coming, and I will see you on the next episode of Ask the Guitar Coach.